Hey guys, so quick and honest review on this travel rolling duffel bag. This bag is expandable, it's foldable as well, and it's basically a suitcase. It has wheels and you can also use this as a carry-on luggage. It is super lightweight, which I love, and yeah, it's super versatile. It has two expandable sizes. Right now, I'm expanding it to the biggest size. So this is great for traveling if you're packing a lot or if you want to have this bag always with you. I'll show you later in the video. It can fold up to a very small size. And here I'm just showing you how I fold it to the second size. And I just love that it has a ton of different sizes. And I just love how versatile and tremendously spacious this bag is. The fabric this bag is made out of is also waterproof, which is awesome because it can protect everything that you put in the bag, and the PVC bottom shell just makes it more stable and super durable. I absolutely love this bag. I would highly recommend it. It's great quality and I loved it.